Surah An-Nasr, chapter of help. In the name of Allah, the merciful, the compassionate, when comes the help of Allah and the clearing up, and thou seest the people entering into the religion of Allah in crowds, then give glory with the praise of thy Lord and ask pardon of him. Verily he hath been prone to relent. And see, so that cancels out the messianic problem. Because even if you have the right government or leader or something, well, don't the people have to continue doing stuff? Don't they have to continue doing stuff? There's no final victory for the living, you could say. The day I'm recording this, people are saying, it's done, it's finished. He is, the victory over sin is like, but hasn't sin got worse of a problem since then?